Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys doing well. In this video guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to upload reels on Facebook page. It's a really simple process guys, so please follow along with me. But before doing so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. This helps me a lot. Now let's dive right into the video. What you need to do right now is to tab on Facebook app right here. Tab on the Facebook app, and now you need to look for your Facebook page. So look for your Facebook page, tab on the three lines. Now scroll down, you'll see here your profile pic, your Facebook profile, but you need to scroll down, look down, and here right here we have pages. So please tab on pages, and now choose your page. Choose pages you manage. This is the only one page I have. That's the only one. So tab on this page, on your page, tab on it please, and now scroll down, and here you can see create a post, photo, create a story, and a reel. We need to tab on reel because we want to upload reels on our Facebook page. Tab on reel, and here you can choose your video, tab on it, and now everybody, you can tap on next, and you can set it on public. Describe your reel here. You can also add hashtags here, and so more people will discover it. So just tab on share reel, and that's it. You share your reel on your YouTube channel Facebook page. I hope this video guys helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will help me a lot. See you guys in the next video. Take care.